Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren with Darmac Builders and Brightway Insurance. I know you guys know that I do homeowners insurance, right? I mean, I'm a 220 agent, but we're going to talk about that later. But here I'm at the site where we poured the slab. The block is finished on this two-story home. Of course, we got to go another, floor up. But what we're doing now is actually forming up the columns. You see the rebar sticking up in the sky? Those are going to be concrete columns. And we got quite a few here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because that's a double. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 just right here in the back. And where you see the wood at, those are columns too, because it's going to be formed up like a mold. All right, so that's what you're seeing going on here now. And columns here. This is a column, you can see that. Nicely done. We're going to put spacers here so this concrete won't burn on this wood. Okay, we're going to keep, we call it slab runners. People got other things they call them. We're going to pour this 8 feet. Somebody's drinking coffee and decided to put it in the beam. Okay, all right, whatever. So I had 16 right there, 1, 2, 3. It's about like 25, 26 columns on this house. This is going to be a 2-story home, like I said before. It's going to have a hollow core floor system. We're going to have like a 2-inch pour on top of it. Steel columns is coming in. Boy Kevin is going to be doing that. And we're just going to get it going. So everything is going the way we want it so far. As you can see, the place is cleaned up. Can't have a dirty place. Can't, just because it's a construction site. You know, got to have some rhythm to it. And yeah, we're getting it together. But this is what we do. We build from ground up. We're shell contractors, but we're also general contractors. We turnkey. We can take a 1-story and turn it into 2-story, or vice versa. We new construction, whether it's residential or commercial. Renovation, build outs, design build. Look at everything. Over 25 years in business, I better be able to know something, right? So, we're just going to keep this thing moving, guys. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, which I have. You subscribe to it, share it. Let's get up to 1,000. Let's get up to 1,000. All right? And I'm going to keep showing you guys videos like this. Whether you're a designer, whether you're a builder, whether you're an investor, real estate agent, broker, you name it, flipper, you're gonna learn something from my videos that could probably make you a lot of money. All right, those orange caps is what I put on top of the rebar. That's sticking out of the ground. Can't put them all the way up there because nobody's gonna really fall up there. Now, but the ones that are on lower ground, we fall on. We couldn't. And so you see those little pipes here. Even though these are not my pipes, I'm gonna put caps on that because people do trip. Okay, people do trip, so I'm going to put these orange caps on there just because it's the safety part of it, and we're going to keep it rolling, right? All right, until next time, peace.